put mayonnaise on it.
Yeah. Slathered it with mayonnaise.
Little dab will do ya.
And then press it into the breadcrumbs.
You have to preheat the air fryer?
No.
Air fryer's over there. No? No preheating needed.
No.
All right. I'm ready. Nice big fat thick pork chop.
Yeah.
Are you ready? Moving over to the fryer.
Not yet.
Oh, come on. Don't want this video to be 10 minutes long. Okay. The grabber, the sprayer. Oh, the spam.
Spray the pan.
Okay, yeah, show me.
I already did that. And
Okay.
this in there.
Ooh. Add more crumbs.
A little more on top.
You could have cooked two chops in there, could you? Just stand up on the side. How would you do two?
You just squish them in there.
Squish them in there. Okay. Coming over. To the fryer. Turn it on.
I would cook it about 10 minutes at 390.
390, 10 minutes.
Yeah.
That's it?
That's it.
And after that, it's all done?
Well, then I would turn it over and cook it maybe 6 or 8 more minutes.
Okay, 6 or 8 more minutes. Very good. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.